Hi, my name is Dustin Yeatman. I am a part of TMG Core's service and manufacturing team. I've been with TMG Core since August of 2020, and I like to go drifting. The thing that I like the most about TMG Core is it's different from anything that I've been in. Being on the service and manufacturing team, I have learned how to read a wiring diagram and how to wire up a control board for our smaller units. I've gained a lot of experience from being here. Probably the biggest piece of advice would be have patience with yourself, because there's going to be processes that are going to have to take a while, or things that you learn that will take a while. And if you just stay motivated and stay to it, then you'll get the job done and be successful. My name is Dustin Yeatman, and with TMG Core, we help you evolve to enable.